Some of the best ways to manage your diabetes. Are you living with diabetes? Diabetes does not have to be the debilitating disease that some make it out to be. You can have a normal life and have diabetes at the same time. Follow our tips on how to make the most out of your life with diabetes. Any exercise regimen for a diabetic who is looking to lose weight should include both cardiovascular exercises and weight training. Cardio is a great way to work up a sweat and burn fat. But, studies have shown that weight training also helps boost the metabolism and turn fat into muscle. Diabetics need to avoid ketchup like the plague. I know it's tasty, I love it to death, but it's so full of sugar both from the tomatoes and the high fructose corn syrup that it's more of a curse than a pleasure. I like to replace it with yellow mustard as it has little to no sugar added. Drinking water is important for everyone, but is especially so for diabetics. There is a reason that most diabetics drink like a fish before they are diagnosed and begin treatment. Keep your water intake high to help you keep your weight down and your hydration up, especially if you exercise. Unless you drive a car that lacks air conditioning in super hot summer temperatures, or are on a safari in Africa, you probably don't need ice packs for your insulin. If you're worried about leaving it in the car at the mall, take it with you. I doubt you'll have so much that it won't fit in your purse, pocket, or bag. As you can see, it is possible to live a happy life even if you have diabetes. Living with diabetes is all what you make it, and you can make the best out of it. By following our tips, you will learn how to lead a happy life, thus making the best of your health limitations. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.